Alright, so your boy Beowulf! And you might have just seen an early clip. I got a new mod installed for the Hellcat. And I run straight pipes on the stock manifold. AFE came out with it, and I think it's a better way to go. I wanted to do headers, but then it's just, you know, let's do one step at a time with gaining stuff. And I just wanted to really, to be honest, the exhaust to sound a lot meaner. And I think the thing just sounds killer now. It's at idle, it sounds still like it is stock. But then now, I tell you, it's when you hit the gas, man, you can hear it now. And before you'd only hear the whining of the supercharger. And actually now I think the exhaust is louder than the whine. And yeah, no, so that's what's going on. Today's video is gonna be crazy. I am having a new electric stove being installed today, sometime today. And but then it's gonna be an action-packed day. Yesterday I had the new shelves and all that installed at my store here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So I'm gonna cruise over there to bring by some inventory. And what do you think I'm gonna do? It's like 83 degrees out. You know what? I'm going jet skiing. Take my 2018 Sea Doo RXT-X. Woo! So it's gonna be fun, and just enjoying it. It's pretty cool out here so far. No complaints about living out here in South Carolina. And cool thing here too is there's no emissions, so that's why I did the straight pipes. And let's get the day going, and you know, maybe cruise by the beach today, because it's right by my store. It's by the beach, so maybe I'll cruise by the beach or whatnot. But today's gonna be action packed, and let's get it going. Alright, so I got the Jeep loaded up with a chair for work. I'm gonna pick up a grill on the way back, but man, you guys gotta check out what the graphics look like at the store. I saw it yesterday. I brought some stuff by. I got a little bit more stuff to bring, product, and then organize the store. Man, the graphics look amazing on the windows. So hopefully we get there before it gets dark. I gotta stop at the Sea Doo dealer. Gotta pick up the USB plug I was talking about that I'll install in the video. And I think I might get this other cargo thing that can go waterproof that goes on the back. I really like the mountain 2 jugs up. Sea Doo doesn't recommend it, but hey, let's try to rig it up to make sure we could, you know? Hey, farther we could ride, so let's get it popping. The thing that's like really popular here in Myrtle Beach area is people take their SUV or truck and raise it in the front and lower it in the back. And here's, I've been waiting to get one on camera, but look at that. So it's jacked up in the front, and he's not on bags. I mean, people just do that just to do it. It doesn't make any sense. Maybe they want to feel like the car is like a Dodge Demon, like lifting off the ground. Oh my God, look at that from behind. You see that? Like that is, aerodynamically, that is just not, doesn't make any sense. Why do you do that, people? Why? All right, so we got the shelves coming in. Figuring out what to do here. Do these custom shelves. They're 16 feet long. So it's just a lot of putting product out, and I still have to build the checkout area. Then we're gonna probably put the essential oils here. And the cool thing is just figure out shelves. And the nice thing, these were left over for the previous people that were running, so it's kind of nice. Do not put the bath bombs there. Man, you guys gotta see the logos on the window. Got the Jeep right there. Check this out. Man, they did a really good job at doing this. I really like how it's like centers are outlined in white and center in black. But yeah, it turned out, it looks really sharp. So that's it, man. I gotta get this stuff going so we can open up shop. I'm gonna try to do a little test run tomorrow. That's what I'm planning on. So wish me luck.